So in my ongoing journey of understanding why my machine is dimensionally inaccurate and has some noise in the back part of it, I've decided to take the motors off of the y-axis. This is the y1 and y2 assemblies, and just kind of cleaned them up, went through, wire brushed all of these gears nice and clean, retension the belts. I noticed that the Y1 side was maybe a little tighter. It's supposed to be about 3 millimeters of deflection. I don't know, I mean, I think that that's pretty good, but I've measured it under my hand tension at just a smidge under 3 millimeters, but I don't know. I have a pretty strong grip, so I'm not really sure if this is accurate, but it's not like they're too tight. I think that that's a big deal. If they're too tight, they don't feel too loose. It's a little bit of Goldilocks, I think, here. I've noticed that even with the proper measurement for the height of this idler gear, or whatever you want to call this thing, the belt seems to ride a little high. Focus. I think the belt seems to ride a little high on there. I'd like it to be a little bit more centered maybe, but that's just me. And I say that because I've noticed a little bit, let's see if I can find a spot on here, a little bit of wear on the belt. It's not torn out. It looks probably worse on the video here than it actually is, but if you take it off, it just looks like this nice kind of rubber edge is just worn off, and you can see a little bit of the belt. There's nothing there that's, you know, poking out or looks like it's going to tear, and it's like this on both sides. I also noticed that my X-axis has kind of the same issue. I'll be doing that one next, but the gears are nice and clean, a little schmutzy, but not bad. So we're going to throw these on and see how things go.